Datetime features like date of birth or time of purchase provide valuable information to your machine learning models if you know how to extract that information from those variables. Feature Engine excels at automatically extracting powerful features from datetime variables. The Datetime Features Transformer allows you to extract useful parts of datetime variables such as the day of the week, the day of the month, the quarter, the year, the time, the hour, the minute, and the second. And then the Datetime Subtraction Transformer allows you to compute differences between datetime variables, for example, allowing you to capture the age of a customer by comparing the date of birth with the date of purchase. These features can significantly enhance the performance of your models, so go ahead and check it out. Let us know what you think in the comments. And if you love this functionality, please share or like this video and help us spread the word. Thank you!